How to add location on Snapchat story. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add location on your Snapchat story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app and then you can click a snap or you can add a picture from your gallery or from your camera roll. Then for example, I'm just gonna click a snap, and then after you click a snap you will get this pop-up. Snapchat wants to use your location, so you have to tap on allow and then give permission, so you can tap on while using the app only this time. Then after giving permission it will take you to your location settings and you have to turn your location on and then go back. But if that pop-up isn't showing up, what you have to do is that you have to go to Snapchat's app info. So if you are on Android, press and hold the Snapchat icon and then here tap on app info, and then this will take you to your Snapchat's app info. Then here you can see permissions, open it, and then here in permissions you will see this location, tap on it and then you have to give permission. You can select allow all the time or allow only while using the app or ask every time. So after you have given the permission, go to your Snapchat app, and now to add the location you have to swipe left and you can see here the filters are showing on. So you have to keep on swiping left till you see the location filter, and once you see the location filter you can see that here in the location filter it has added my location. And now this is how you can add location on your Snapchat story now. So now you can just simply tap on next and then select your story or your friends and you can send that as a snap or you can add it to your story. And so this is how you can add location on your Snapchat story. Thanks for watching.